here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, it is a dry heat, unusually warm, obviously, but without the humidity, and the net result are the deep blue skies, the trees starting to come into bloom in some areas. Talking to Kim off camera with the suffering from allergies, the tree pollen is sky high, and it'll remain quite high now through at least Saturday. And you know, the reason for the deep blue sky, though, very low humidity. There's not a lot of moisture in the air. Relative humidities are quite low, and the reason why avoiding outdoor burning next couple of days, even though we're not in a red flag warning anymore. The air remains very dry, the temperatures are hot, the brush is dry, and really no substantial rain in the next roughly 48 hours. Some showers over the weekend, though not overly heavy. But look at these numbers. The areas in red away from the coastline are still well into the 80s to even 90. I mean, the South Shore is quite warm, but just a smidge cooler, little component of wind off the water. People at the beach today. As we take a look at our threat tracker today, tonight, Friday, and into Saturday, it is low. Another hot day coming up on Friday. Changes for the weekend. Well, for one, it's cooler. Looking at increasing clouds on Saturday, the daylight hours look dry. Any plans to be out, but by evening and at night, we'll get in some light rain showers, though Sunday actually should be the cooler day. Satellite photo shows crystal clear skies all across the northeast, tracking moisture that has been coming out of the Gulf of Mexico. This will track north and east, arriving here Saturday evening, Saturday night, with some light rain showers. And the combination of that, some extra clouds on Saturday, should keep the temperatures cooler but still mild for this time of year. So speaking of temperatures, let's start at 7 o'clock in the morning. Tomorrow, it's in the same. First of all, a good deal of sunshine and low humidity. Look at the rapid warm-up. All this area of deep red away from the ocean, topping out in the low to mid, even upper 80s along the coastline, 60s, 70s. Very warm near record-breaking once again. Take you into the mid-afternoon. It's still warm, but notice out across east coastal Mass, these areas of light green and yellow, cooler ocean air is going to back in. So as warm or as hot as we get tomorrow, by 7 o'clock in the evening, it actually drops into the upper 60s and it continues to cool down. So it is quite warm through, say, 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, but it doesn't take long for that temperature to drop quite a bit by 7, 8 o'clock in the evening. So for tomorrow morning, sunshine, rapid warm-up. I mean, it's already 80 by 11 a.m. And generally low to mid-80s tomorrow afternoon, sunshine, low humidity near record temperatures. By 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the evening, we start to see that rapid drop in temperature. All right, 7-day forecast. The weekend is not stormy, but changes. Extra clouds on Saturday. Cooler, dry during the day, some showers Saturday evening, Saturday night. Scattered showers linger into Sunday, especially during the morning. It's not a stormy day, but it is mainly cloudy and cooler with a temperature near 60. Maybe some lingering showers for Boston Marathon Monday with temperatures in the low 60s. Another hot day coming up for tomorrow. And once again, no outdoor burning next couple of days.
And then more typical April weather comes back on Saturday.
Getting back on track.
All right, Tony, thanks. Yep. More coverage.